What's up, everybody? This year I actually got to go to Coachella and it was amazing, by the way, but I was so inspired by all of the fashion. I'm talking from denim to florals, accessories, and super cool hats. Now, while some of it was a little wild and should only be seen on the grounds of Coachella, there were some awesome parts that you can wear all throughout the summer. So I'm about to show you my 5 favorite summer looks inspired by Coachella. My first look is the perfect white ruffled sundress. I actually got this one from Topshop. You guys know that I love high-end, low-end pieces, and this one is a perfect example. It looks super chic. I love that the ruffles actually hide some of my not-so-favorite parts of my body, like my arms. I know I've told you guys that. Now let's talk accessories. I decided to keep it dainty with this one. I'm obsessed with this necklace that I have on because it's so Coachella, it's so hippie vibes, and honestly, it's just so in right now. It is the 3-layered necklace, and what I love most about this is that the 3 necklaces are actually all connected, so you don't have to put it together. I love that, and they never get tangled. So I actually got this one from Topshop, but they have them everywhere now. Obviously, sunnies are a must during the summer, so I got these cute little babies from Free People. Now, what I love about them is that one, they've got the gold on the side, but this retro wing is so Coachella, but it also works for the entire summer. It's just hot right now. Now, one of the things I had to learn about Coachella, nobody gave me the memo, people. I mean, I've read blogs about Coachella, but I thought that I could thug it out in heels. Wrong. You definitely want to wear comfortable shoes, and generally during the summer, you want to be comfortable. It's already hot outside, so I actually decided to put on some Converse. Everyone always makes fun of me because I literally have the smallest foot ever. So while Converse are affordable altogether, mine are super cheap because I get the kid size 2. One of the other awesome things I saw at Coachella were crossbody bags. They're so comfortable. Why? Because your hands are free, people. You can hold a drink, you can hold a hot dog, you know, there's a lot that goes on. And I found this one actually from Minkoff. It's the perfect bag that literally goes with everything because it can go day or night as well, which I love, but it's super comfy and it holds a whole lot. Oh my God, I found Carmex. And a spare contact. What the heck is this random stuff I have in here? A flashlight? Guys, we're pulling all these outfits straight out of my closet. Oh, a guitar pick. I clearly am married to a musician. I think this is UTI medication. But the point is, you clearly can put a whole lot in this bag, and I love that. Touch up your makeup, you're gonna be sweating it off, you know, all that good stuff in here. For my second look, I decided to go with the striped jumpsuit. I'm loving this look, and I saw so many girls in striped jumpsuits at Coachella. You know, the ones that were trying to keep it chic. I'm obsessed with this jumpsuit, one, because it's super comfortable, and I always love pieces that are like one piece, because then I don't have to think about what's the outfit, what to put together with it. This is it, people. And the price is amazing. It's from Fashion Nova, and it's only $39.99. One of my other favorite parts about the outfit is, check out the back, you guys. It's got this super little cute tie right here. And I love that because it's not set, you can make it as tight as you want or as loose as you want, you know, according to your bust size. I also love the length of this jumpsuit because it doesn't cut me off in a weird spot. And once again, I have to talk about the shoes because you've got to be comfortable during the summer. You're hopefully going to be going on long romantic walks, so you still want your feet to be comfy. And I'm loving these Mules. They're actually by C by Chloe, and I got them at Bloomingdale's. So that's like the biggest splurge of my outfit, but like Chloe shoes would have been like 700 bucks. One of the biggest trends right now are these cute little pouches. Loving this. Nothing screams summer more than a good little straw pouch. Now let's talk about this hat. Again, one of the best accessories from Coachella that I'm definitely gonna wear all summer long is the cool hats that everyone was rocking. This one is actually from French Connection, and it only costs 26 bucks. Hats are like the main thing at Coachella. Everyone's wearing hats. I don't know if it's because they're having a bad hair day, because they're trying to block the sun. Whatever the reason, it's super cute. I could go so many places in this outfit. This is me meeting my girlfriends at the Parker in Palm Springs for a beautiful little brunch. I'm gonna walk around with this bag like this, you know, hey. Oh, hey. I see you, girl, all right. It's me just coming through. One of my favorite memories of Coachella was actually going to church. Church Home did something super special at Coachella. They actually created like a pop-up of their church where Justin Bieber led worship, and this actually would have been completely appropriate for that. Ready for my third look? We're going floral hippie vibes. I'm obsessed with the whole hippie vibe of Coachella, and this suits me perfectly, and I'm gonna tell you why. Ladies who don't wanna completely show their stomachs, this is the perfect way to show a little bit of peekaboo midriff, but it covers all the parts that sometimes ain't right. I know that most women have issues with their lower tummies. It's probably the hardest to actually get super flat and chiseled. So this is perfect because it's a little peekaboo, and I'm obsessed with how long these are. You wanna know why? Because if they were short all the way up here, then you'd see this. But this even covers a little bit of that too. I got this outfit from a cute little boutique on 3rd Street here in Los Angeles, and it's called Social Butterfly, and they actually have a website. I am obsessed right now with body chains. I'm actually obsessed with them every single summer. I think they're super cute, super chic, and it's body jewelry, and since you're gonna be showing some skin, might as well have it covered with gold. This little body chain is from Forever 21, and it was $6. These are currently my favorite shoes because, hello, they're clear. So that means they can go with every single outfit all summer long. If you're going on a summer vacay and you don't wanna pack a bunch of shoes, pack these. This will go with every single outfit. By the way, my glasses are also super cheapy. They're from Forever 21, and I wear them all the time because I love pieces right now that are blush and nudes because they go with everything. I have this theory about sunglasses, which is don't spend a lot of money on them, and I'm telling you guys why. I have done it. I've spent $500, $600. I didn't go with 700, let's not exaggerate. I didn't do 700, that's just going too far. But I did want like a good pair of $500 glasses, and I've done it before. I've gotten a Celine glass, I've gotten Gucci glasses. You guys, I lose them all the time. Please tell me in the comments if I'm the only one. So that's why I prefer a good $6 glasses. It looks just as nice. Florals are huge at Coachella. We obviously all know about the floral headbands. It's a permanent Snapchat filter, okay? And I love that these aren't like basic florals. This is not your basic floral. Oh no, sweetie. We are birds of paradise in here, okay? That's what this is. I feel like J-Lo in this outfit, or possibly Cher with this hair. So if you're going out for a sexy little dinner date, you're grabbing drinks with your girlfriends, or you just feel like being fly for no reason, this is the outfit for you. I'm about to go jump into my next one. Are you ready? Okay, I'm back with my 4th look. Super excited about showing you how to wear the classic Coachella cutoff jeans. What I love about these Pum Pum shorts is that they're flattering both in the front and in the back. You definitely wanna make sure you're covered in real life. I actually paired it with a black tank top, which everybody has. Then I also paired it with a blazer. You could wear any kind. This one's actually from Nordstrom. And a good statement belt is always awesome. This is clearly an investment piece. It's a Gucci belt, but obviously any black belt will work. And I paired it with my crossbody Gucci purse. Again, any crossbody will work. I love this cuff. It's actually a mix of like leather and stones. That's always awesome. And I love, love, love adding little layered chokers. This is a necklace that I actually wear every single day. It's just my personal jewelry. And I added to it a little cute choker. Bring back the Coachella vibes. Again, you've got statement glasses. These are Ray-Bans. They're like aviators kind of, but not. They go with everything and I absolutely love them. And most importantly, bringing back the comfort, people, are my Adidas sneakers. I love this outfit because it's comfortable, it's still cool, and I still feel pretty badass in it. I still feel like I'm a rocker girl, just running to grab some coffee, chilling, hair's slightly disheveled. You're like, hey, yeah, girl, what's up? Yeah. Is this rocker? No, this is hang loose, wow. Get it together, eh? So a lot of you may be like, who the heck would have a blazer on at Coachella? It's so hot. Facts, it gets cold in the desert at night. So actually Coachella, for all the like big performances like Beyonce and all of them, it was actually really cold. So people had on blazers, leather motorcycle jackets, hoodies, sweaters. So hey, if where you live it gets a little chilly at night, this is the perfect outfit for you. Okay, this one was all the rage at Coachella, and it's actually just major for the entire summer in general. Guess what it is? Duh, polka dots. Polka dots are so major for the summer. I never thought that they'd come back this way, but I actually love it so much. And I love not just polka dots, but like comfy things like this. Like this is like, I love anything that has pockets. Am I the only girl that loves everything with pockets? Again, if you have a hard time putting outfits together, the best thing you can do is get jumpers, dresses, things that are whole pieces so that you don't have to figure out like, well, what goes with that? What goes with that? Here's the outfit, people. This is it. This is a statement polka dot jumper that I'm absolutely obsessed with. It is from Topshop, super affordable, and I feel like you could dress this so many different ways. Right now, I've got it paired with some Giuseppe slides for the summer. Don't be afraid to mix your polka dots with stripes. That's super cool right now as well. Same color scheme, different vibe, but I love them. You could also wear this same exact jumper with like a cute flat sandal or even a pair of sneakers would still be super cute. Converse or another pair of like white shell toe Adidas. The other thing that makes this little polka dot romper perfect is the length of the shorts. I know I'm not the only one out there that's not trying to be like, oh hey, look at my thighs. So this is the perfect length in the front and the back, which I love. And again, people, this cinches the waist. I love pieces that come with like bows like this because you can make it as loose as you want or as tight as you want. After lunch, you know, like right now I'm about to eat in a little bit. I'm gonna loosen this up. In the morning, when you swear that you're like your skinniest in life, you're like, make it nice and tight. I also decided to pair it with this little chic hat. I know during the fall and the winter, I was so obsessed with like motorcycle hats and captain hats. Well, guess what? They now have them where they're straw, so they're made for summer instead of wool, and I'm all about it. If I had my hair done 2 days ago, I can just shake out these beach waves and make it look like it was intentional, throw on a hat, and it looks like it was a part of my look. So in case you were wondering why I'm always in hats, that's the answer. So there you go. All 5 of these looks are super on trend for summer. I hope you guys try them out. I saw them at Coachella, but you know I'll be rocking them all summer long. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments about what other outfits you'd like to see me in, because clearly I like to play dress up for you guys. Let me know, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.